welcome to episode 102 of the Snowflake SnowPro Core Certification In-Depth Training Podcast, brought to you by Brightflux. I'm your host, Yaqub Abdul Hakim, a certified Snowflake user committed to guiding you through the intricacies of Snowflake's features and empowering you to ace your certification exam. Today's episode delves into the critical topic of privileges required for data sharing in Snowflake, an area every Snowflake user must master to ensure secure and effective data collaboration. First, let's outline what data sharing in Snowflake entails. It's a powerful feature that allows Snowflake account users to share data securely with other Snowflake users without copying or moving the data. This means you can provide access to your data across Snowflake accounts, which facilitates collaboration but also necessitates a thorough understanding of the privileges involved. Understanding which privileges are required is crucial for setting up data sharing correctly and securely. The foundation of data sharing privileges lies in the share object within Snowflake. To share data, one must have specific privileges on this object, along with relevant privileges on the objects being shared, like databases, schemas, or tables. The primary privilege required for creating and managing data shares is the Create Share privilege. This privilege enables you to create shares and add or remove databases, schemas, tables, and secure views to a share. Keep in mind, possessing the Create Share privilege alone isn't enough. You also need the Usage privilege on the database and schema and the Select privilege on the tables or views you wish to share. Without these, you cannot share the data contained within them. For those receiving the shared data, consumer accounts, the required privilege is Usage on the shared database or schema and Select on the shared tables or views. These privileges are granted at the discretion of the share provider, ensuring that data is only accessible by those who are intended to have access. Another aspect to consider is the role hierarchy within Snowflake when it comes to granting and managing privileges for data sharing. The account admin role, or a custom role with the required privileges granted to it, is typically needed to execute these tasks effectively. It's also worth noting that the management of data shares, including the ability to grant and revoke access, requires an additional layer of privileges that differ slightly from the creation and sharing process. One often overlooked but vital component of setting up data sharing is ensuring that your account has network policies in place that allow for the secure transfer of data. While not a privilege per se, it's an essential aspect of safeguarding your data and ensuring compliance with your organization's security policies. In summary, data sharing in Snowflake is governed by a set of privileges that control the creation, management, and consumption of shared data. Mastering this understanding is crucial for not only passing your Snowflake SnowPro Core certification, but also for ensuring effective and secure data collaboration in your organization. That wraps up our deep dive into the privileges required for data sharing in Snowflake. I hope this episode has been enlightening and empowers you to confidently manage and leverage data sharing within your Snowflake environment. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue to unravel the intricacies of Snowflake, ensuring you're well prepared for your certification exam. Until then, this is Yaqub Abdul Hakim from Brightflux, wishing you success in your Snowflake journey.